it's original Maxwell, and I'm gonna do a blind bag review. So let's get started. First, let's just open this. Hold on. I'm in the car. Yeah. Pretty hard to open. Whoa. Up here's do you realize this, Daddy?
What?
This. Wait.
I can't look at it right now, Liam, because I'm driving. But I will look at it at home, okay?
You didn't even notice this. First, let me feel it. Oh, it's so. Yep. It feels like. Here are the ones. Hold on. Here are the ones on there. You can pause this. So yeah, that's which ones there are. So let's see. This feels like let's just open this. There. And it appears I got I'm guessing I get I'm guessing I'll get strawberry sunrise? I don't know. Let's figure this out. It's strawberry sunrise! Oh my gosh! What does she look like? I wish for her! Strawberry
You guys
sunrise.
don't have that? Does Alicia have that one?
No. No.
No? Which ones does she have?
This kind of looks like Sunny Rays, the one that I got. Except she has a different cutie mark.
Yeah. What, Mia?
I got sparkle all over me.
Yeah, we'll have to find her a
So-
special container for those.
These? As you can see, her cutie mark is
Look,
a grape.
apart. See?
Yeah.
Sunny Rays loves to go flying on sunny mornings. So,
That's right, it's like totally
as you can see, she's right here.
awesome notes in my head. Awesome.
So yeah, I'm glad I got her.
Awesome.
So yeah, this is her.
I know, is it just so awesome today? Awesome. Okay, don't say awesome.
So yeah, bye.
So bye.
Oh, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below.